Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I'm pretty excited about today's video. This is going to be my very first My Mini box opening. I just got this a few days ago and I wanted to open it up and show you guys what was inside. If you don't know what this is, basically it is a monthly subscription box of nail art products from Beautometry, there we go. And you can do it, you can get it one time or you can do it a bunch of months, and you can save, I think if you do like a 6-month or a year subscription, I think you can save more. But yeah, so this is my very first mini box and they are all themed. And this month's theme is movies, so I'm pretty excited to show you what's inside the box, and then we're going to kind of tell you the the sum of the products at the very end of the video. So I'm pretty excited and we're going to just get into it. Alright, so start off with this one here. It says enjoy creating some movie inspired nails this month. So that is the website that I purchased this off of. I think it's going to be really cool, and I will definitely be showing you different designs. But yeah, so they do actually have nail art products that are from all around the world actually on their site and in this box, which is cool because there's going to be stuff that I've never even tried before, and that's kind of why I wanted to try this box. Alright, so let's start with the purple package. And I'm pretty sure it's stamping plates. Ooh, okay, so they are Muyu London. I have never tried Muyu London. I have always wanted to try Muyu London stamping plates. I think they look really cool. So this one is the Sci-Fi Stamping Nail Art Plate Collection by Muyu London. And I think it's called Lilu, the Sci-Fi Girl. It looks really, really cool. Look at that. And this is Sci-Fi Collection 05. So these are obviously from the United Kingdom. And then I have the minimal stamping plate, and this one is called Eco, the Minimal Girl. And then it's like all these different kind of designs there. So this is the Minimal Collection 03. I'm really excited to do something with these stamping plates. All right, let's see what else we got in here. So we have these are nail water decals, so nail transfer nail wraps actually, and it shows you kind of how to apply them, which I already know because I've done them with lots before. These look really cool. I am very excited about these. I don't know if it's actually a brand. It just says nail art stickers K5653. Looks like it is a Chinese brand by the looks of it. I'm really excited to try those. They look really cool. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, so I have this. Alright, so we got these gold flakes in here. So I'm just going to kind of open them up and show them a little bit. They look neat. I don't know, they kind of look like tin foil, but gold. So they look interesting. Those could be kind of cool to put on your nails. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 things. And this is a nail polish in a really cute little bag. Everything is really wrapped well and nice and everything. The box is a little bit on the smaller side. Everything was like jammed in there, which is fine, but I kind of ripped the box trying to get it open, but there's that. Ooh, I have a polish actually from England. I got it sent from Nail Polish Canada, and I really like it. It's really pretty. But this one is also gorgeous. Like, look at that purple. So this one is called The Most Happy Crown Your Feet and Hands, England. So also another British product. Looking really nice. I am really enjoying this box so far. Alright, let's see what the last thing is in here. And I think also comes in a really pretty little cute little bag. And It is a Girly Bits polish. I actually don't have anything from Girly Bits as either, and it's actually a Canadian brand. I've just never purchased anything from them, but it looks gorgeous. Like, look at this color. It is so pretty. This is called Quantum Leap, and it's the My Mani box, February 2018, and it's 5 free. That is gorgeous. I think I love like everything in this box. There's not really one thing that I don't like. I am super excited about this. So if you have never tried a monthly subscription box, I can't guarantee, I don't think you can get this one anymore, but you can still sign up for them. I'm pretty sure you're able to. I know for a little while you couldn't, but it looks like they are back and you can definitely do them because they look really cool. And I kind of researched what subscription boxes were kind of good, and I saw that this one looked awesome. And I got, yeah, I got 6 things, and I think it said you can get up to 6 different products. So I'm going to tally all of them up, and we're going to see how much this box actually cost. Alright, so I couldn't find everything on their website, but around the prices for the nail polish and then the 2 actual stamping plates is already more than the box. So I think the Girly Bits polish is either like $12 or $13 American. England I think was $11 American, and the stamping plates were $9.99 American. I'm not sure how much this is because I don't actually know a name for it, and same with the water decals. I don't actually know the brand name for them, so I couldn't really search them. I tried to look, but I couldn't find them. But with the polishes and the stamping plates, it's like $43, and the actual box is $35 American, and then you do a $5 shipping fee. So you're already getting more than the box is actually worth just with those 4 products. So that is pretty good. So I will leave the link in the description box below where you can find my mini box. I am definitely impressed. Like, I am really excited to try all these different things. It took a little while to come because I got it shipped to Canada, but so far it's really good and everything came well packaged, and I am impressed. So if you want me to do a video using all of these, or some of them, I guess I can't really use everything, most of them in a video or a nail design, leave a comment down below and I can definitely do that video for you. But yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.